Rub toothpaste directly onto your scratched lenses like this, and what your glasses look like after 10 minutes will make you question every pair you have ever thrown away or replaced unnecessarily. Today, I am showing you two methods, and the second one uses a combination that most people would never think to put on a lens, but produces results that are genuinely difficult to believe until you see them on your own pair. Let's begin with the first method. Take your glasses and apply a small amount of toothpaste directly onto each lens. Spread it evenly across both surfaces. Inside and out, toothpaste contains a micro-abrasive compound engineered to polish surfaces at a level fine enough to remove cloudiness. Now, fill a large bowl with water and submerge your glasses completely. Add a generous squirt of dish soap to the water. Any brand works. Now add a pinch of baking soda directly into the water. Baking soda eliminates bacteria sitting on the lens surface and neutralizes the odor that builds up in frames over time. While your glasses are still submerged, gently rub each lens once more with a small additional amount of toothpaste. Feel how the texture of the lens surface has already shifted from rough and cloudy to smooth and clear beneath your fingers. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Remove the glasses from the bowl and rinse thoroughly under running water. Dry with a soft microfiber cloth, using gentle circular motions. Now hold the lenses up to the light and look at what the combination of toothpaste, dish soap, and baking soda produced together in under 15 minutes. The cloudiness is gone, and the minor surface scratches that made reading and driving frustrating have diminished dramatically. Now for the second method, the one that goes further than the first. Add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline into a small, clean bowl. Follow with 1 small part of toothpaste. Stir the two together slowly and firmly until the mixture becomes one completely smooth, creamy, uniform paste, with no separation remaining between the ingredients. Vaseline is one of the most effective surface sealing agents available. When combined with the polishing compounds in toothpaste, it creates a paste that fills microscopic scratches in the lens surface rather than just buffing the area around them. This mixture is just perfect. Apply the paste to both lenses using a cotton swab, working it carefully and evenly across every part of each surface. Do not leave any area uncovered. Once applied, set the glasses down and allow the mixture to sit undisturbed for 5 to 10 full minutes. This contact time is what allows the Vaseline and toothpaste to penetrate and fill rather than just coat. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. After the time is up, use a cotton ball or soft tissue to remove the paste gently. Remove all residue completely before holding the lenses up to the light. The surface is smoother, and the scratches that were visible before the treatment are significantly reduced. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily hacks. See you in the next video.